Power forward is the Hotshots import number 31, Nick Rakocevic. And at center from Buluan, South.
He's tasked to guard this guy who just scored the first 2 points.
Been easy there for Nick Rakocevic, just pushing Pearson out of the way. But again, Lord gets the rebound, drops it off. Rakocevic again. Rakocevic with a good start.
Magnolia to run and score in transition. That's their game, actually. They want to run. They actually produce a lot of points coming from their defense. And at that time, Rakocevic Cup.
Again, a big deal here as Rakocevic continues to score down low with ease. And Magnolia takes the lead once again.
I think that's one of the advantages dito kay Rakocevic. Mas mataas, mas matangkad siya dito kay Pearson. I think Pearson, historic, and a lot of really exciting games happen here.
And I have to say, newly renovated rin siya.
Oo,
Alam naman
ganda.
natin yung renovation for the SEA Games.
Right.
Ang ganda ng upgrade na
Elasto.
Rakocevic.
Yes.
Finally, Magnolia takes a 1-point lead.
Yeah, with a good pick and roll play coming from Halalon and Rakocevic.
Ito yung hinahanap ng Magnolia as Rakocevic hasn't played much in this game. We go to Asisio. Magnolia, Rakocevic inside! Basket plus the foul!
Rakocevic getting those recipients of those fast breaks for Magnolia, giving them a 6-point lead.
And again, all he does is just really run the floor. That's the benefit of having an import who plays as hard as Nick Rakocevic. Right now, the wheels falling off a bit para sa rain or shine. At bigla na lang 12 ang kalamangan ng Magnolia. What a run by the Magnolia Timplados Hotshots as the rain or shine Elasto Painters in a world back after taking that lead. At dyan nagtatapos ang ating laro as Magnolia gets the twice-to-beat advantage and wins this one 106-90 as to secure that number 2 seed.
That's right.